Hello friends, welcome to this video, and in this video we'll discuss the history of Java. Now Java was created by James Gosling and team at Sun Microsystem. Now Sun Microsystem is currently owned by Oracle. So it was developed by James Gosling and team at Sun Microsystems. But what was the need for creation of Java? So Sun Microsystem needed Java because they wanted to support for consumer electronics, right? Such as remote controls and other embedded devices. So these needed some platform independent code because platform independent code because we had a lot of embedded devices and we cannot write different C or C++ program. Back in those days, C++ was very popular and in demand in the early 19 in the from 1980s to early 1990s. So Sun Microsystem in at that time it was not looking at C++ because C++ was platform dependent, and even in that case C is also platform dependent. So C and C++ didn't seem to be a choice for writing platform independent code for their consumer electronics. So their team came up with Java. So Java was platform independent code because it has the concept of JVM and JRE. So that makes it platform independent. So we will have a portable code. So that was the main reason why the need of Java at Sun Microsystem came. Why Java became popular then? It became popular with the rise of internet and World Wide Web. You know, C and C++ didn't have good libraries to program in for the internet. But whereas Java, they created a set of libraries and they created the way we program in the OOPS, in the object oriented programming. So they redefined it and they presented it for the internet programming. So that's the reason why Java became so popular. It was mainly because of the internet, and its internet needed portable code. Because why it needed portable code? Because the program has to be run on any client which is running on any machine, whether it be Linux, Mac, or Windows. If that machine runs internet, it has to run its program on that particular machine, and that program needs to be portable, and also it needs to be secure. So Java provided that security as well by the use of JVM, and it sandboxed the application, the Java application, with the use of the JVM. So Java provided both portable and secure code, so it was the best way for internet programming, and hence Java became very, very popular. It also created the use of applets, which were network programs, which are basically a piece of program, server-side program, which runs on the client, and they move around the cyberspace. So they are free to move around the cyberspace, and they are secure because they run in the JVM itself, in the Java virtual machine itself. So that was very secure and very portable. So that's the reason why Java became so popular in the internet programming, and that gave to the success. It contributed very much, internet contributed very much to the success of Java programming language, and hence the Java programming language rose. And even today, Java programming is evolving continuously. Like in the currently Java 13, Java SE 13 is the latest version, and it is having its 6 month cycle. So another version will be released in March 2020, and it's going to be there for a long time. So that is about how Java came into popularity. And Java is deriving its syntax from C and its OOPS features from C++. So Java has a lineage from C and C++. It derives its syntax from C and its OOPS features from C++. So C and C++ can be treated as ancestors to Java. And also there is this programming called C Sharp, which is closely related to Java, and this C Sharp was written to support the .NET framework provided by Microsoft corporation. So Microsoft actually tried to come up with a language similar to Java for running on the .NET framework. So this language is called as C Sharp. So C Sharp, if you see, it has very similar syntax and OOPS features which are very relatable to Java. And Java also redefined the way we program by the introduction of multi-threading and the use of libraries for internet programming. So that's how Java evolved from time to time, and it's still evolving with its 6 month release cycle. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching.